Hello everyone, it's been a while. Let me first congratulate all of you on becoming new members of our profession. Diba, sabi ko naman sa inyo, papasa at magiging customs brokers kayo bago pa man magpasko. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays sa inyong lahat. After the results came out, may ilan din sa inyo ang nag-message sa akin about my advice on your first job. Aware ako na hindi naman lahat sa inyo ang makakapagtrabaho sa Bureau of Customs, but let me tell you this. Working in the field other than that of a customs brokerage or in a place other than a brokerage company or logistics company or the Bureau of Customs does not make you less of a customs broker. Hindi ho kawalan sa inyo ang magtrabaho sa ibang field o sa ibang company. Hindi ho ang trabaho ninyo ang magde-define sa inyong pagiging customs broker. For many of you, especially those who had been full-time students since college, this could be your first job. At alam nyo ba, napaka-memorable ng first job. It is in your first job that you will meet your first boss, your first supervisor, your first manager, your first mentor, who, despite you being fresh from college, believed in your potential. Siya yung naniniwala na kahit baguhan ka pa lang at wala ka pang masyadong karanasan, ay meron kang mapapatunayan. In your first job, you will meet a lot of people who will eventually become your lifelong friends. Kung siniswerte ka nga naman, baka sa trabaho mo pa, mahahanap ang iyong jowa. O di ba? May work ka na, may sahod ka pa, may love life ka pa. Sabi nga nila, you spend more time with your office mates and workmates than with your loved ones. It is also in your first job that you get to receive your hard-earned money. After years of being supported by your parents, this is your chance to pay them back. Hindi naman kailangan na ibigay mo yung buong sahod mo, but you can always treat them to a nice dinner, buy them something new, or pay for the weekly grocery. Dito rin sa first job mo that you would get to know yourself better. You would see your first deadline, your first pressure, your first success, or even your first failure. This is where you would learn your first lessons in your work life that you would carry in your entire professional life. Ito lang yung payo ko sa inyo. Love your first job. Respect your first boss. Value your first salary. Savor your first success and learn from your experiences. Your first job does not define your success or your failure. Whether related man yan sa customs administration or hindi, or whether sakop man yung trabaho mo sa scope ng practice ng customs broker profession, your first job does not define you as a customs broker. No job could ever define you. Oo, may mga dream job tayo, but hindi naman lahat ang mabibigyan ng pagkakataon na yung una nilang trabaho ay yun yung kanilang dream job. Getting to your dream job is a process, and that process starts with your first job. To our new customs brokers, congratulations ulit sa inyong lahat. For those who have found and started their first job, congratulations din. Naman sa mga naghahanap pa, those who are still in the job hunting mood, okay lang yan. Take your time. And whatever job opportunity that may come your way, grab it. You will learn from it. More than the salary, ang importante, ang iyong experiences na makukuha nyo galing sa first job nyo. Trust me, I've been there. To all of you, may God bless you as you start your professional journey. Take care and enjoy the holidays with your loved ones your family members, and your friends.